Do you know many people are having trouble with identifying the turbo/fan assist symbol on their Smeg oven? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify symbol. The turbo/fan assist symbol is a fan icon enclosed in a circle. Step 2. Activate turbo/fan. This symbol activates the turbo/fan assist function, circulating hot air evenly in the oven. Step 3. View on control panel. Once activated, the fan symbol will appear on the control panel. Step 4. Ensure faster cooking. Using this function ensures faster cooking times and consistent results. Step 5. Notice advanced feature. It signifies the oven's advanced cooking feature for enhanced performance. By following these steps, you should now be able to identify the turbo/fan assist symbol and use it effectively. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Smeg users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.